Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of this automation journey. Today, we're finally getting started with learning how to use Make. But before we dive into building actual scenarios, there's one extremely important topic we need to cover. And that's the main goal of today's session. Our core topic today is JSON. It's an essential concept behind nearly everything you'll do when building automations. Understanding JSON is absolutely critical if you want to get confident and professional with automation tools. A quick overview of the Make platform. If you're new to Make, which is unlikely, it's a platform for building advanced automations. The platform is structured like this. Organizations. These represent your companies or entities. Each organization can have unlimited O-teams, which are separate working units. Each team contains your scenarios, connections, and modules. Inside each scenario, we use modules. These are small functional units that you can connect together to build automations. Data typically flows through these modules from third-party services using APIs. Make doesn't just receive raw data, it organizes and beautifies that data so it's easier for you to work with. Why do we need to understand JSON? Because almost everything in Make is based on JSON. If you check the output of any module, you'll see that it's structured in JSON format. So today's main goal is to help you understand. What is text? What is structured data? What is JSON? And how do you work with it? The difference between text and structure. The data you'll work with in automation tools comes in different formats. The simplest is text, a sequence of characters, letters, words, symbols, etc. But structured data, like an array or a collection, is more organized. It contains specific parts and is formatted in a way that makes automation possible. Before the internet, people sent physical letters. A letter might include several sheets of paper. You'd place them all in one envelope. That envelope holds an array of sheets, multiple similar items in one unit. In the same way, text is just characters, but JSON structures organize data in meaningful ways, and that's what we need to understand. Understanding JSON in practice. Let's jump into some practical structure rules. Arrays are always written in square brackets. Example of a text array, JSON copy edit. Word 1, word 2, word 3. Example of a number array, JSON copy edit, 10, 20, 30. Important. Text strings are always inside double quotes. Numbers are not in quotes. You can also mix them. JSON copy edit, hello, 42, world, 100. You can even have arrays of arrays or arrays of collections, but they're always wrapped in square brackets. This is one of the golden rules of JSON that you'll keep encountering. By the end of this episode, here's what we've covered. Data in automation platforms is usually structured as JSON. You now know the difference between plain text and structured formats like arrays. You've seen how arrays are built using square brackets. You understand that text values are in quotes, while numbers are not. This foundational knowledge will make everything that follows way easier, especially when it comes to building and debugging your scenarios. That brings us to the end of episode 2. Today's focus was on understanding JSON, a critical part of automation. If you've made it this far, well done. This knowledge will help you build smarter, more reliable automations. In the next episode, we'll start creating our very first working scenario, so make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.